Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix WhatsApp photos and videos not showing in the gallery on POCO X7 Pro, especially after updating to HyperOS 3. And this issue is pretty common after the update, so don't worry, the fix is actually very simple, so let's get straight into it. First of all, we need to make sure WhatsApp itself is set correctly. So just open your WhatsApp and then just tap on three dots icon and then go to settings and then just go to charts like this, and then on the options of media visibility, just make sure it's enabled. These options will allow WhatsApp media to appear in your phone gallery, newly downloaded media. And if the setting is already turned on but your photo and videos are still not showing, don't worry. Just let's move on to the next steps. Just go to your phone settings and then go to apps, scroll down and go to apps, this one, and then just search for gallery like this, and then inside the gallery app info like this, just look carefully at the buttons, at the bottom buttons, this one. If you see uninstall updates on between first tap and clear cache, just tap on it and then just confirm it. This will remove the latest gallery update and restore it to the default versions. And don't worry, this will not delete your photos or videos. And after installing the gallery updates, just go back and then just restart your phone and then just go to the gallery app, and in most cases your WhatsApp photos and videos will immediately appear again. And if not, just try restarting your phone once again and then just check the gallery again. And okay, that's how you can fix WhatsApp media not showing in gallery on POCO X7 Pro after HyperOS 3 update. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.